Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to use the Vlookup function in Excel across multiple columns. This powerful function can save you a lot of time and effort when working with large data sets. Let's get started. First, let's understand the basic syntax of Vlookup. This function looks like this. But what if you need to look up multiple columns? Let's dive into that. Suppose we have a list of names along with their departments, roles, years of experience and salaries. We want to create a lookup that can fetch these details based on the name. Here is how you can do it. We'll start by entering our Vlookup function in the first cell where we want the result. Type Vlookup and then select the cell containing the name you want to search for. This is your lookup value. Next, select the entire table where you want to perform the lookup. This is your table array. For example, we'll select the range B7 F22. Now, enter the column index number for the value you want to return. If you want to get the department and it's in the second column of your selected range, enter 2. Finally, type false to indicate that we want an exact match and close the bracket. Your formula should look like this. Press enter and you will see the department for the specified name. Now, to get the row, years of experience and salary, simply change the column index number to 3, 4 and 5 respectively. And there you have it. Using Vlookup in multiple columns is as simple as changing the column index number. But did you know there is an even more efficient way to apply Vlookup to multiple columns at once? You can use this sequence function to apply Vlookup across multiple columns without having to enter the formula multiple times. Here is how. This formula looks up the value in B4 across the range B7 F22, and the sequence function generates an array of column indices to retrieve multiple columns at once. With this approach, you get all the values you need in one go, without the need to enter the formula several times in different columns. It's a great way to streamline your workflow and save time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.